Welcome to Mikab Model College online tutorial. We hope at the end of this lesson, you will have acquired the expected learning outcome. Sit down and listen attentively as we introduce your subject teacher.
Hello viewers, welcome to another French class. In our last class, we discussed some verbs which are s'appeler, manger, and habiter. Today we want to discuss about verb être and verb avoir. Verb être is verb to be and avoir is verb to have. These are the verbs that we use to say what we are and what we have in French. This is the conjugation for verb être. Je suis. Je suis. Répétez après moi. Je suis. Je suis, which means I am. Tu es. Tu es. Répétez encore. Tu es. You are. The next one is il, elle est. Il, elle est. He or she is. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. We are. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. You are. And the last one is ils, elles sont. Ils, elles sont. They are. Let's go by it again. Je suis. I hope you are repeating. Je suis. Tu es. Il, elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils, elles sont. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils, elles sont. The next verb is avoir. Avoir, verb to have. This is the conjugation. J. J. As if you want to say Jesus. The first letter, you pronounce it as J. I have. Tu as. You have. Il, elle a. He or she has. Nous savons. We have. Vous savez. You have. Ils, elles ont. They have. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Avoir, verb to have. J, I have. Tu as, you have. Il, elle a. He or she has. Nous savons. We have. Vous savez. You have. Ils, elles ont. They have. Let's go to verb être again. Let's go back to verb être. I want to teach you some things about verb être. So make it very simple for you to learn. There's one song that we do sing when we are in school. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Now let's go to avoir now. Je, tu as, il a, elle a, nous savons, vous savez, ils ont, elles ont. Je, tu as, il a, elle a, nous savons, vous savez, ils ont, elles sont. If you forget the conjugation, you can use this song to make you to remember the conjugation. We want to make sentence with the verb être, s'appeler, and avoir. You all know that verb être is verb to be. S'appeler is verb to be called, and avoir is verb to have. Now let's use it. Je m'appelle. M'appelle is verb appeler. Je m'appelle Grace. Je m'appelle Grace. Je suis élève. Je suis is verb être. Je sept ans. J, sept ans. J is verb avoir. You can see that we use the verb to make sentence now. Let's go over it again. Je m'appelle Grace. Je suis élève. J'ai 7 ans. We want to make sentence with the verb être, s'appeler, and avoir. Je m'appelle Grace. My name is Grace. Je suis élève. I'm a student. J'ai 7 ans. I'm 7 years old. Je m'appelle Grace. I am Grace. Je suis élève. I am a student. And j'ai 7 ans is I am 7 years old. In our next class, we'll be discussing numbers in French and how to do some things in French. Stay tuned.